Every organization making fuel decisions faces the same fundamental question. What will it actually cost to get this fuel from here to there? But getting a clear answer, that's harder than it should be. Routing constraints, infrastructure limitations, handling requirements, regulatory fees. These factors often dominate the total cost equation. Yet, they're poorly understood, inconsistently modeled, or discussed only in abstract terms. The result: fuel switching projects that can bring about lower emissions don't advance beyond early stages. Not because organizations lack interest, but because they lack a credible way to ground the conversation in real logistics and real costs. Introducing FuelRoute Pro. FuelRoute Pro was built to solve this problem. It's a decision support tool that estimates the end-to-end cost of transporting alternative fuels from point A to point B using real-world routing logic and market-informed assumptions. Whether you're exploring ammonia, methanol, or hydrogen, FuelRoute Pro helps you understand what moving that fuel will actually cost before you commit resources to a full feasibility study. So, how does it work? Using FuelRoute Pro is straightforward. First, input your fuel type. Next, input your volume requirements and any specific operational parameters. Next, define your origin and destination. Choose your transportation mode. Right now, we only support truck and rail, but we will be adding more modes in the future. The tool uses actual road networks and routing algorithms to calculate distance and costs for the selected transport mode. And in seconds, you get a comprehensive cost breakdown. The tool shows you exactly where your costs come from: transportation requirement, fuel and terminal surcharges, loading and unloading, insurance, and even factoring for carbon offsets. You can compare different fuels, routes, or transport modes on a like-for-like basis, making trade-offs visible and discussable. So having discussed what FuelRoute Pro can do, let's discuss what FuelRoute Pro is not. It's not a full engineering model. It's not a project finance tool. It's not a replacement for detailed feasibility studies. Those limitations are intentional. FuelRoute Pro does not claim to eliminate uncertainty. Instead, it makes uncertainty visible, structured, and discussable. The goal isn't to deliver final answers. It's to enable better questions earlier in the decision process. So who is FuelRoute Pro really for? It is for fuel buyers and suppliers evaluating alternative pathways. It's for logistics operators planning new routes. It's for industrial energy consumers exploring fuel switching options. It's for sustainability teams modeling transition scenarios. It's for policy analysts comparing infrastructure investments. If your core question is, what would this actually cost? FuelRoute Pro gives you a credible place to start. Some examples of practical use cases: exploring scenarios independently, testing assumptions, and running sensitivity analysis. Generating professional reports you can share internally with stakeholders. And for those organizations with more complex needs, FuelRoute Pro can be customized, integrated into existing systems, or serve as the foundation for deeper analysis. It's designed to be as flexible as your decision-making process requires it to be. For the team at Tampico, FuelRoute Pro represents how we approach complex problems in the energy sector. We believe that practical tools, built on real domain expertise and powered by modern technology, move industries forward faster than theoretical models locked in spreadsheets. This isn't an endpoint, it's a starting point. We expect FuelRoute Pro to evolve based on real-world feedback and use cases. Future versions may include deeper granularity, enhanced functionality, or additional integration options. For now, the objective is simple: provide a credible, usable place to start fuel cost and fuel transition conversations. That's FuelRoute Pro.